Do you need to maintain your water heater? Hi, my name is Denny with Supreme Service Today. Some people think you don't actually need to maintain your water heater, but really you do. Water heater, just like any other mechanical system in your home, needs some routine maintenance. The most important thing to do on a tanked water heater is to drain the sediment off the tank. Part of our membership customers, we actually do that for you. It's included to come out, drain the sediment off the tank, give you the maximum life out of your tanked water heater. Now, maintenance on a tankless water heater can be a little bit more involved. That just requires some descaling of the heat exchanger to keep the hot water coming, running endless there, just like the way it's supposed to work. Any questions about maintaining your water heater, or not sure if it needs to be done, or maybe you've never had it done before, it's never too late to start, give us a call, 410-788-1114. Remember, Tom and Brother Alex sent you.